welcome back to Java Tutorials. In this tutorial you will learn what is if else and else if statements. These if else statements are useful for logical comparisons. It also helps to make decisions. Now let's see what is if and else. If checks the condition. If the condition is true, then it performs the operation whatever is there here. If statement is false, it immediately goes to else. So here if having condition, but else it doesn't have any condition, it comes into the picture when if condition is false. Now let's see what is else if. If checks the condition, right? So if that condition is false, then if else also checks again new condition. Suppose if and if else both conditions are false, then else comes into the picture. This is the hierarchy. If condition is true, then it will execute this part. If this is false, then immediately if else comes into the picture. Then it also checks the condition. If this condition is true, then the system executes this one. If both conditions false, then the system executes else. We can also have more else if conditions here. Now let's understand the same concept in coding. Now let's understand what is if else if statements in Java using one example. So here I have taken a class and main method. Let's take one integer, int n equal to 30. Now if statement, then put a condition there. Suppose n is greater than 0. We'll give a print statement, n is positive number. We need not to give any condition over here. N is negative. What if we give condition here? Let's see. Now it is giving compile time error. If you give else if, it's not showing any error now. Let's remove the condition and execute the program. So the console gives us n is positive number. If suppose n is minus 30, let's rerun the code. It prints n is negative number. So what if does? If statement checks the condition. If the condition is true, it executes the part whatever is there. If this condition is false, then it move on to the else and it prints this one. Now let's see what is else if. Look, if you give else if, it's asking condition here. That's why it's giving the compile time error. So you need to give a condition here. Suppose n equals to 0. This equals is the comparison operator. We'll talk about that in next lecture. This n equals to is the comparator. It compares the value. Let's write else statement. Let's run the code. The output is like negative, right? Now let's give the positive number. Then the console prints n is positive. Let's run n is 0. Obviously it prints n is 0. This is the way if and else statement works. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorial. See you in my next video. Happy learning.